So I think it's proper time to start the reading. I will just start. So let's check what is the energies. Hello, Deepika. Let's check what is the current energies for your career. So the first message which I'm getting is about the current energies is that there are situations in your career that are clearly somewhere or the other not working out. There could be problems related to people. You might not get the help you want, and there could be some kind of difficulties in terms to the people around you. They might not be giving you the correct help that you need to progress in your career. But I feel that eventually now there is going to be a very brighter time that will come for your career, with the first chakra, that is the archangel Michael. You will start to make some steady progress, and there will be stability which you will experience in your career. There will be some new set of growth that you will be experiencing in your career. In terms to your finance, blossoming abundance card has come. That means that there is going to be a lot of growth in your career. You will experience like a good windfall of money in terms to those people who are finding it difficult to find a job, or are having problems in terms to changing their jobs, or are not finding jobs, currently are jobless. I think they will start to find jobs. Difficulties related to your work will turn, and you will find a very favorable time that is coming up for you. Let's see something more. I think in terms to your love also, some new doors will open for you. You might meet some people whom you're able to connect with your heart. I know this is a love message in a career reading. You could meet somebody from your office, or you could meet people through your work whom you could connect at a good level, at a friendship level, or even at a deeper level, where it could be that you might end up into something which is love. So you could meet people through work and have good relationships with them, not only in terms to love but also in terms to friendship. Let's see more. See, you will receive lot of options in your career. ऐसा हो सकता है कि there could be options that you have in terms to work. You want to pursue more than one options. Maybe you're doing a job and you also want to do something in the side, so that is also favorable as per this card. So you're trying to work out your ways somewhere. You're trying to look into the future. You're trying to understand exactly what's good for you. But at this point of time you have confusion on the path where you should go in terms to your career. So options बहुत सारे हैं, but you don't know exactly where to go and what to do. Those people who are planning to switch have more than one or two options, or will find more than one or two options. There are chances that you might travel abroad for work, and you might get some good opportunities for growth, which will leave constant ability to growth. One other message which I'm getting, that maybe this time it's not a team player wala energy. Here somewhere I have a feeling that you'll work alone and thrive, and have some really stable outputs for yourself in terms to your work, in terms to your business. You'll get a lot of opportunities. You will receive some kind of a communication अबाउट थिंग्स दैट यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट. ये हो सकता है आपके करियर के लिए लाइक हो, या यू नो आप कहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं. सो यू माइट रिसीव सम पॉजिटिव न्यूज रिलेटेड टू वर्क. हो सकता है आपके बिजनेस में यू नो आपका कोई न्यू क्लाइंट बने एंड आपके लिए काफी फ्रूटिव डील हो, यू नो. सो कोई टाइप का कोल्ड वॉर चल रहा है बिटवीन यू एंड योर टीममेट्स. आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू सॉर्ट आउट इन योर लाइफ इन टर्म्स टू योर वर्क. Things may not be exactly there. There must be politics in your work environment, and you know, you're trying to make progress silently. You're trying to work on yourself. You're trying to upgrade yourself. You're trying to look for options career के लिए. You're trying to see what is really working for you, what is not working for you. तो आप कहीं कहीं न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड थिंग्स सीम टू बी प्रिटी पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि जो ब्लॉसमिंग अबेंडेंस का कार्ड आया, तो आपके जॉब में भी आपको बहुत ग्रोथ और अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी. जो लोग प्रमोशंस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, दे माइट हियर समथिंग गुड इन टर्म्स टू योर प्रमोशंस, योर ग्रोथ. स्टेबिलिटी आने के यू नो चांसेस बहुत अच्छे हैं इन दिस कमिंग मंथ्स. सो वर्क वाइज तो मुझे काफी अच्छे ही वाइब्स आ रहे हैं. बस कुछ जो पॉलिटिक्स है ना, लाइक ईच वंस ट्राइंग टू पुट देयर बेस्ट सो दैट यू नो दे विन द प्राइज, बट थिंग्स आर लुकिंग फेवरेबल फॉर यू, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. कुछ फ्रेश न्यू बिगनिंग्स हो सकती है किन लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली यू नो कोई लोग जो एक न्यू बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, या कोई लोग कुछ ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ट्राई करना चाहते हैं जो यू नो कुछ न्यू स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं. बेसिकली कोई जॉब, कोई यू नो न्यू सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, उसके लिए एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव मैसेज है. यू विल फाइंड अबंडेंस कमिंग योर वे. यू विल फाइंड सम न्यू ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आर कमिंग योर वे. एंड आई फील दैट यू नो कुछ नया करने का चांस मिलेगा, बट इन दिस span don't try and take any kind of risks. Okay, so if there are opportunities given to you, don't try to take any kind of risks. I feel that you know calculated चीजें करना ज्यादा फेवरेबल रहेगा इस टाइम पे, और don't take too much risk, and use your intuition to take proper decisions in terms to your work. And let's see more. यू नो कहीं ना कहीं है ना, ये टाइम आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स यू नो स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का टाइम है. यू नो बैंक ऑन थिंग्स विच विल बी लाइक अ लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग फॉर यू. डोंट जस्ट गेट इन टू समथिंग की यू नो चलो यहाँ पे इजी मनी है, बना लेते हैं पैसा. यू नो ट्राई टू मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट्स थिंकिंग ऑफ द फ्यूचर. यू नो छोटी छोटी चीजें कर करके यू मेक लाइक बिग ग्रोथ्स. कहीं ना कहीं मॉनिटरीली आप यू नो बहुत ही ज्यादा प्लान कर रहे हैं, प्लॉट कर रहे हैं, चीजों को देख रहे हैं यू नो कि ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है, ये मेरे लिए खराब है. ये एक्चुअली अच्छा है आपके लिए, क्योंकि यू नो आप लॉन्ग टर्म की नींव कहीं ना कहीं रख रहे हैं एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो दिस इज अ वेरी फेवरेबल पीरियड फॉर यू, वेर यू नो यू आर मेकिंग न्यू बिगिनिंग्स, new starts. You're thinking about your future. You're thinking what is good for you, what is bad for you. You're seeing those options which you have. Somewhere I feel that you know you have to play individually and take a command on your life, because there is some kind of politics at your work, okay? And obviously you don't want to lose. So you know you need to put your best foot down. You need to communicate clearly. You need to you know make sure that you know you are putting everything on emails, and you know you're officially communicating things. So yeah, ये चीजें हैं. कहीं लोग है ना कोई ऑप्शंस के बीच में फंस गए हैं. दे आर नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड कि यू नो हम आगे कैसे बढ़े. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन मैसेज विच आई एम गेटिंग. यू नो वो लोग कंफ्यूज है कि यू नो हम क्या करें. दे आर नॉट एबल टू सी कि आगे क्या करना चाहिए. You know, take the best option for you at now and start somewhere. I feel that intuition sorry extremely sorry. So कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने हेल्थ का भी ध्यान रखें. ड्यूरिंग रीडिंग्स जब भी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, इट फील्स दैट sorry, you're not taking care of your health. I have a feeling that somewhere down the line you're overworking and you're not taking care of your health. You're not able to take a decision clearly कि आपको आगे कैसे बढ़ना है अपने करियर में. Somewhere you have a confusion about things. You don't know what is to be done. But I have a feeling that somewhere you need to be a little more organized in terms to your expectation of what you want to do. See, if things are not working in your favor, walking away is a good option. अगर आपकी कंपनी आपको फुलफिल नहीं कर रही है, see, I'm not saying that go and put down your papers just randomly. Do some proper planning of how you have to get out of the place which is not giving you what you're worth of. जब आप वो करते हैं ना, and you prepare yourself and then put away your papers, I think that is going to be something which is going to be really good for you. So I have a feeling that जिन लोगों के लिए चीज़ें and opportunities नहीं work हो रही है, eventually walking away from things that are not working for you in your career will give you some kind of new opportunities, new beginnings जो आपके लिए बहुत favorable रहेंगी. Do not take any kind of risks at this point of time. Don't just randomly leave your job and go. Think about your finances. 2+2 करो कि exactly कैसे आगे बढ़ना है. That will be very beneficial at this point of time. So saving up for a rainy day is the message. And stop envying other people. They're like currently आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके पास उतना नहीं है जितना किसी और के पास है. But that envy will only bring about negative energy in your life and not help you attract something positive. Be in that queen energy currently, where queen or king energy, whoever is watching this video, not being gender biased, but be in that queen energy ki you're unstoppable, and have gratitude for the things you have, and continue to work on your life, continue to somewhere upgrade yourself in your jobs, in your current businesses. Try to be innovative, try to be creative. That is also one of the messages which is coming. Be very creative, be try new things, but don't take risks, and you will get new options, new doors will open for you, in terms to lot of opportunities that will come your way, because you are learning, you're growing, and you're applying that knowledge where to achieve better things. जिन लोगों के पास jobs नहीं है ना, let's see उन लोगों के लिए क्या message आ रहा है. कितने टाइम में कुछ जॉब लगने के चांसेस है. आई थिंक 10 वीक्स के अंदर कुछ लोग हैं जिन लोगों के पास जॉब्स नहीं है ना, they will find some good opportunities. 10 weeks to 10 months के बीच में they will find better opportunities of work. Somewhere you will find some good positions. You will find leadership roles where you will be a leader, you will be a team lead or managing some project. You will find some good positions. So keep upgrading yourself, keep working on your strengths, and don't burn out. There is an energy. Those people who are having some back issues or have left a job due to some health reasons, please focus on yourself at this point of time. If you've left your job for your health, focus on your health regimes, focus on your routines, and things will start to fall in place. There could be some kind of financial crunch that you're going through currently, but this situation will improve. Okay, plan your life, plan your finances in a way that you save up for the rainy day. You're feeling very depressed at this point of time. Things are not exactly working out the way you had planned, and but eventually the future is looking bright. Let's see 2 months के बाद की क्या energies है. see, whatever effort you will be putting in, right, you'll have to put some good amount of effort, but this effort will bring you stability. Those people who are planning to take a house will be able to take a new house, so that is one of the side messages that I can give you. Put your effort, use all your energies, to plan, to upgrade. And when you do all that planning, upgrading, applying, getting selected, and then eventually working, you can even plan, and you will find a house. You will end up buying some property if you are willing to do that. Or there will be a favorable time where you will be buying a property soon. What is Dinesh writing? It's fine for now. Good, I'm happy if it's fine for you now. There are some people who complained that they've lost their jobs, and there were multiple people who told me that. I myself am having some career challenges. That's why I wanted to do this career reading and figure out what exactly is going to happen, and how I have to go about it, and how others can benefit from it. So it's like a collective reading that I'm trying to do, Dinesh. I hope these messages help those people who are having some difficulties in their jobs and careers. Let's see some final messages for work. There's going to be some kind of celebrations that are going to come, or you will move away from, there might be a change of project, there might be moving away from a current job to a new job, or a current project to a new project, or you might travel for your business to some destination, and you might explore new avenues. You might get opportunities where you're clearly celebrating your success, you're happy, you're with people around you, and you're very happy and content with your job. If you don't have it currently, eventually you will have some good opportunities to travel for work, to have some, and you might even travel with your family. See this card where you see a man, you see the woman, and you see a child. So you might even get opportunities to travel with your family somewhere to a place, and that place will benefit you. That place will make you feel celebratory, like you will celebrate your success if you move to a place, and you will find a lot of stability. There will be a lot of growth which is going to come to your life very soon, or 10 weeks to 10 months for those people who are trying to find jobs, or they'll be very successful. They will have something good, and they will be in leadership roles. Try to upgrade yourself through various online help available, or try to read, learn, try new ways of posting your profiles. All that would help you to grow in your career. So yeah, I guess these were the messages which I had for you today. I hope you liked them. I hope they were helpful for you. I'll save this video and share it, and do let me know in comments if this was helpful, and if you want me to do more career readings like these. So yeah, see you in the next reading, guys. Bye. See you. Cheers.